Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing? So I'm back with the spring palette, and since we're in March, I felt that we should be doing that. And as far as how I'm doing right now, well, things kind of took a wrong turn. And so I'm in a boot right now. Yeah. Managed to twist and hurt things really badly. So if I'm not as energetic right now, it's because I'm healing. As far as what I used for my base today, I do have Haus Labs, and this is in shade 70. So that's what I have there. I did go ahead and use the N1 shade as far as concealer, and this one is the True Match by Loreal. Excuse me. And then as far as blush today, I did go ahead and use, see, this one. And this is Hope. And yes, I did break this, but it's Rare Beauty, the Hope shade. Very pretty. And then the Buttermilk Bronzer by NYX. And this one, let's see. So this is what I have on as bronzer today. As far as my highlighter, I'll be back in one moment. Okay, and then as far as the highlighter, this is the 201 shade by Revlon. It's a Daybreak shade, and it's a wonderful highlighter. It has a lot of gold in it. And let's see, as far as what I did for the eyes today, I went ahead and used Flourish by Ensley Rain. And again, I just thought that since it's such a pretty palette, that springtime was sort of the time to go ahead and use it. This is my base color, and this is one of the mattes. And then I went ahead and used this one on the lid and this one on the inner corner. I did go ahead and use a little bit of this in the crease. And as far as my eyeliner pencil, I used a gold one, and it just actually broke and had to throw it in the trash. So yeah, let's see, as far as the finishing powder on this, I went ahead and used the Beauty Pie Triple Glow Powder. So that's what I have as far as the finishing powder on here. Then as far as what I did for the lip is that I went ahead and used Give Me S'mores, and this is one of the Just a Tints by Colourpop. And then I did go ahead and add in an Adept as far as Adept lip gloss on that as well. And I'm going to add a little bit more in here. There we go. So that's the way that the look turned out. I think it's a really pretty spring look. And yeah, that's kind of, the other ones were the mascara Lash Without Limits, which is this one, and the Make Me Brow brown shade by Essence. Actually, these are both Essence. So these are both Essence. And I think that's just mainly the look today. I hope that you're having a good week, and I will see you later. Bye.